Hello, lovely people. Lovely to see you in 2025. Welcome to my channel. I hope you have a good holidays. And I hope you have all your fingers and you're in great health. Today we're going to scrap this microwave and look for some precious metals. Also, check always for your safety. There are some things in here that will shock you, but I will let you see when we get there. At first, always on the outside, check for all the screws. Doesn't matter what, just get them off. This will help you in the future of this scrapping. Every screw that you see, just lose it. And this will make it easier. I don't think it's a lot of work. I love this work to do this microwave. You just give me, I don't know, give me 100 a day or something. I just like to do it, you know. It's fun. It's scrappable. It's easy. Normally, it's always easy. Just cut the cable and just let it go. I will save this for a phase 2. We will do this in 2 phases, just the scrapping and the micro scrapping. Let's check. Normally it's easy. You see here, it's a different size. I got this brand new. I get this for Christmas from my nephew. It's really, give me a moment. Now I'll have to check if this correct size is in here. I don't know. It's the one with, it's the safety one. Sorry people, I couldn't find the right one. Now I got the right one. It's with a little hole in it. This is for safety, for scrapping, that not everybody will scrap this. It's just like the secure for the company that built it. There you go, 3 of them. Normally only it got 1, and you would just pull it off. So that's okay, no problem. So this moment I have checked all the screws. Put it up. This is just metal, nothing special, just metal. And this is always the side that makes everybody happy. What you see here is you got some copper here. This one is the one that you have to cut before you're going to scrap, because it can have some high voltage that will shock you, really shock you. So yeah, that's the one that we have to look for. It's not very difficult. Just cut it like this, and then you will be safe to work on it. Just cut some wires. Don't forget, it's always lovely to have some wires, because they will have some value. Just get them all. Ding ding. nowadays. I just like this. Some ovens or some microwaves, or maybe wash machines as well. Always get the motors out of it. I don't know, I just like it. I just like scrapping. It's make my head calm or something. I don't know. Just love it. I do this with these connections because most of these connections are brass. So it's not much, but when you have a lot, like 1,000 pieces or I don't know, it will get up. And maybe it will head up fast. Some little print with some copper. Not much, but everything helps, you know. This just cut it. If it's take a lot of time, just cut it, get it later. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a really small area. Normally it's not this. That is much easier. What I see here is a nice transformer. I hope it's copper, but we will see. This is old microwave, so there is a possibility it's copper or copper aluminium. This is the cables. Just put it behind us. Try to push it out. Everything counts. Here you go. Small piece of wire. Yes. Oh. Need the other size of connector. This one for the beginners of the scrappers. In this one you will find two of these magnets. This ones I have a lot, but I always keep them because I always lose them, you know. They're everywhere in my car, on my trailer, they are everywhere, and I'm still losing them. So I don't know why. Maybe sometimes they get stuck or something. I don't know, I just lose them a lot, like I don't know, 3 a week or something, but that's okay. Just try to get the transformer. It's mostly value thing in the microwave. If it's copper it will be amazing, but it's not that easy. Let me check. What will it be? It will come out. Yeah. Oh, this is a big one. It's a big fella. Let's check. Yeah, this copper. And this is copper as well. So we are lucky today. I like this. Let's put it aside. And what's important, you know, is most people are, you know, oh, I'm not going to scrap this because it's making a lot of noise, or it's making, just scrap it, you know, just try to get it off and scrap everything. If it doesn't work, just, I don't know, get a hammer or something. Hammer always works. Really, it always works. But we will try to do it nicely. Got some levers as well. It's a little one. You see, it's a little one. Okay, what you see here is little pieces of yellow copper. So at this moment I will try to get them. Just pull out the whole thing. I might say there are some big ones in here. Normally they are smaller. Just break them off. You will see it later. Oh, don't forget it. It's a little piece of copper. Now please don't judge me at first. This is my first video of scrapping something. And it is not the best one to start. But again, we're going to do it. We started it. But things are flying everywhere. It's not good, not a good start. But get the little pieces. I like the little pieces. A lot of little pieces will fix big pieces. Come on, fella. Yes. And I think, I don't know for sure, but as the tips, the little round tips, sometimes are silver. Not always. Just sometimes, you know. Just sometimes. I don't do anything with it. Just get the brass. I think it's too small for, yeah, I don't know, for the silver. It's a lot of work. I don't know, I just don't do it. Okay, let's get the hammer. Oh, that's nice. I love the hammer. See how easy it is to forget one screw. See the copper? I like this copper. Got a lot of these. Really, I got a lot of these. Let's check how we can do this the easiest way. I think it's like this. And this one you will see small, I don't know, it's like 6 or something. We will get this out and I will put this one out, and then I will see you later. So I just put this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is where you see the magnets. This is the magnetron. It's not like Transformers, but it is, they call it the magnetron. So I will scrap this later with you. And this is the dangerous one. Just put it in your steel. And this is the one that you want as well, because of the nice copper. Okay, let's see if there is anything else that we want to have besides of the steel. Normally there is a small one at the back. When this one it isn't. So just put this aside. Just let it go. So this is where you end up. Some wire. You can put this away. Just don't think this is a high value. It's nothing, you know, but it will get out when you want to have the cables. This one you have a little bit of copper, not much, but you know, everything helps. Don't think you will get very rich of working, you know, but it's fun, you know, it's really fun to do. So you will end with this. You will end with some cable, some little cable with some brass pins on it. In this case we have 2 pins, some copper, some little brass. We will put this in phase 2. This will be phase 1 of the scrapping of the microwave. The magnetron, I will let you see, there's some copper in here. This is brass, and in here, between here, this one and that one, there will be some copper as well. But I throw this at the motor, so I will let you see. For the shore, this pink stuff, just watch out. It's not good for your health, and you can get sick in a longer time if you do this a lot. So watch yourself. So this will be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe on this video and support this channel so we can do a lot of more scrapping. Maybe I can take you with some rides for pickups or something. Just let me know. Bye bye.